Hey guys, so I just came outside and I just had a shower. As you can see, my hair's all wet. And just put some clothes on, so this is what I'm wearing today. Yeah. And today we're going to go to the shopping center with my cousin, Natasha. So, yeah. I will film. Definitely. But yeah, my mom's cat is on top of the car. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, and the reasons why we're going to the shopping center is because we're gonna be picking out some Halloween costumes. For Halloween, and we're gonna get a few other odds and ends and run some errands, but main reason is because we are getting some Halloween costumes and the buckets to like go trick-or-treating and stuff. So I think it's pretty fun because my cousin is doing it this year with me, so when we do trick-or-treating I will film as well. Halloween is not until the 31st of October, if you didn't know. I'm sure you would know. But yeah, he's just like staring at me. Oh, he's smooching me. So cute. Who's a kitty? Yeah, anyways. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm just out here because like it's gonna be pretty sunny today. So my hair will dry outside. Then I'm going to attempt the French braid. I'm attempting the braid, you know how it goes, like starts here and goes there. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's a French braid. But yeah, here he is. Hello, boy. His name is Whiskers, in case you didn't know. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So we are almost ready to go and pick up my cousin, and it's really muggy outside. So it's kind of hot. And we're almost ready to go and pick up my cousin, and yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Look, fishies. Wow.
It's a mall. It's a mall.
Look.
Hey,
Okay.
what's that?
It's a fish. It's a fish.
It's a mall.
What are you doing? Come on, let's go down this way. Come on, let's go look at the kittens. Where are you going? Where are you going?
It's a mall.
You're walking? Where are we?
Lower.
Are we in the pet shop?
Good.
Yes, we are. We're looking at the pet things. What's that?
I want pet.
Well, there's no animals in here. See? There are some dogs here. See, look, some doggies here. Oh no, so cute. Can you see them?
Hi, dog. Oh, pet. Oh, pet.
You can't pat them.
Oh, pet.
You can't pat them. No.
That's hello. It's a mall. Oh, it's a mall.
Do you want to go and see the kittens?
Yes. Bye, dogs.
Bye, dogs. Are there any kittens? Oh, look, there's kittens. Look. Up here. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Careful.
Okay.
We can't pet the kittens. And there's a rabbit.
Okay.
Kittens are up there.
Okay. Connect. I reach.
Hey guys, so we just got back from the shopping center. Then we went to drop off Natasha back at her house, and now I'm back here at my house. And it's really hot. Like, it's muggy. Like, the wind is really warm, and this picture is really hot. Anyways, I might go, because we got like some icy balls in the freezer, so I might go and get an icy ball, because it is super hot. Anyways, yeah. I just got myself an icy cold. It's the peach and pear flavor, and it's really good.